Good day again, class. Today I will discuss about the important personalities in fingerprinting. So let's start with Dr. Edmund Lockhart. Are you familiar with him? So as for Dr. Edmund Lockhart, he is considered as the father of forensic science. And he is also the father of fluoroscopy and podoscopy. So, Lockhart believed that whenever two things touch, they leave something behind. Mauning gitawag na to nga Lockhart's exchange principle. Like for example, mo touch ka og glass, mo touch ka og mga wood, mo touch kag mirror. So kanang mga pag-touch nimo na ay mabilin diha, which is kanang gitawag nato nga fingerprint. Diba? So, he is important. Kanong importante man eh? He is important because he also established the first police laboratory in 1990. Naani sa France. France na siya niya na-establish. Ha? And also, he introduced poroscopy or the suite of pores. Oh, muna siya. He is also the Sherlock, known as the Sherlock Holmes of France. Oh, di ba grabe ka known ni Edmund Lockhart. So, money considered as the father of the crime laboratory, father of criminalistics. He also built the world's first forensic laboratory in France. Kapang gilaong kaina. So, next is Alphonse Bertillon. I know you are very familiar with him. Kay bisan asa na major makabati gayud mo about sa iya ha. So, Alphonse Bertillon is the father of personal identification. Kay before pa ang fingerprint gigamit, naa na ning Alphonse Bertillon or katong Bertillonage system. Mao to'y gitawag nato na anthropometry. The first to advise a scientific method of identification called anthropometry. So, he is also known to be the father of mugshot photography. Kay unsa ba za tong kuan ma'am? Unsa ba za para asa ba za ning anthropometry? Anthropometry, so before fingerprints, he used body measurements to identify a person. So, he developed the Bertillonage or anthropometry. Again, and also mugshot photography. So, the mugshot until now was being used by the PNP. So, asa na diha nga bureaus gigamit ang sa ang mugshot. Ha? Because si Bertillon ang nag-una ana. Another, na-abolish lang ang kang Bertillon nga system because of William and Will case. Kay sa kanimang good na kaso si William and Will case, same silag measurement pero different person. So meaning identical baya ni sila duha. Identical sila. So, kung identical ka, tas ang possibility nga pareha jud mong sukod when it comes to anthropometry. So, nga bukog sa height, sa arm ninyo, sa arm span, sa head length, sa height, pareha sila. So, mao to nga nakuan na, unreliable man kay tungod sa kani nga case. Portrait parley, speaking likeness. The person is being identified through memory. Describe the features to put into sketch. Again, si Alphonse Bertillon, kani ang iyang nakuan. Anthropometry, Bertillonage, or Bertillonage system, which is katong gitawag na to nga body measurement. Next, important personality o darira. Mo ni sila. Di ba? William West, primary loop pattern. So, Pag kuan pod sa iyang fingerprint, mao ni ang result. Then arrested in Kansas for murder. Then si Will, ang iyang kuan, ang result sa iyang world pattern is 30/26. So meaning dili sila magkapareha. Dili sila pareha. Though same lang sila wayong. Oh. Same lang wayong. Then place of arrest not mentioned, wala gi pa ibalo kung ay wala na ba, wala na mention, or wala na kuan kung asa siya na dakpan. Pero mas nauna og ka-aresto kini si William. Moto, na-abolish ang katong pagsukod-sukod sa lawas, ang head measurement ug ang kuan tungod sa kaninga case. Then Emperor Tianshi, first Chinese ruler who devised a seal carved from white jade containing the name and the thumbprint of the owner. So, wala ko'y makita nga picture pero sample na ni siya nga kuan, mao ni white jade. Ana. So mao ni kibali ang name. So kung makita ninyo dira, lang ta lamang mauna ang naa diha ang iyang fingerprint nakabutang. Sa thumb niya, sa thumb. Bali mao na ang sample. Nga na siya sa mao na nahimo ni kuan Tianshi. Next is Constantinople. The Sultan soaked his hand in sheep's blood and impressed it on a document as his seal. So, para proof nga iyan na kuan, iyan ang gistorya or iyan ang kamatuoran na nga sa iya nagikan about anang document kung unsay naa sa document, iya gibutang ang iyang palm print. Kay hand man iyang gikuan. Next, we have Thomas Bewick. So, si Thomas Bewick, gigamit niya ang iyang fingerprint as signature. Gibutang niya sa iyang libro. Instead na magperma siya, instead na isuyat niya ang iyang name, mas gigamit niya iyang fingerprint. So, like for example, Thomas, nga na ang ilang mga signature. Instead na ang iyang fingerprint iyang gibutang as a signature. So, he is one of the earliest people to treat fingerprints as personal identity. Mano siya. Si Bewick. Gamit niya. Pinakauna para makuha na ako ni. Di ba? Next, Sir William Herschel. Sorry, ahor kang kahanip. Sir William Herschel, sorry class akong say bulol-bulol kung muram kong talago diri nag yaw. So anyways, so si Sir William Herschel, he is the father of chiroscopy. He printed the palms of the natives in order to avoid impersonation among laborer. So, prints of the entire palm were used instead of signature. So, sa una man gud na ay mga laborer nga i-claim nila balik or bisag naka-claim na sila silang sweldo, moadto sila mangalya sila nga ako ni si kuan si Pulana, ahong kuhaon ang ahong sweldo. So mao to nakakuan siya, naka-idea ay mga ilad-ilad ning mga tao. So iya to gigamit nga instead na mo perma diha, dapat inyo ng palm ang inyong gamiton. So use palm prints instead of signature. Then si Radyadar Kunai was the first person Herschel printed in the palm. He requires fingerprint and signatures on civil contracts. Palm printing started tungod kay to prevent the labor fraud para di makapangilad ang mga ang mga laborer. Wise would siya, di ba? So, si Dr. Johannes Christoph Andries Andreas Mayer. So, according to Mayer, nga, ang fingerprint daw is unique. Unique ko nung fingerprint. Oh. He proved also that no two people have the same skin ridges. Balaan na niyo na unsa ng mga ridges. So, si Ja ang nakapakuan da he was the first actually to explain fingerprint individuality. Scientifically. Unique ko no. So, nabanta dyan niya, dili ba siya gud magkapariha? Way ba siya naagad jud day kalainan? So, he is also the first to state that fingerprints are never duplicated. Skin ridges never duplicated in two persons, meaning individuality. Principle of individuality. According to Johannes Christoph Andreas Mayer. Another, si Henry Folds. Ganag ilong ni Sir, kagana. So, according pod kang Henry Folds, fingerprinting ko no, can be used as positive means of identification. He also proved that fingerprints are unique, classifiable, can be classified easily, and also used in solving crimes. Pwede siya magamit to solve crimes. Di ba? Pointed out that the value of fingerprints. So, he is also the one who suggested using fingerprints long before police accepted them. Siya tong kuan. Siya number 1. Siya una nga. Pwede man nato magamit ang fingerprint para maka-identify sa kuan, sa person kung isa tong mga nag-commit sa crime. So, si Henry Folds adto. Another, we have Thomas Taylor. He also suggested pod same kang Henry Folds. He suggested pod that fingerprints can be used to solve crime. Along with Dr. Henry Folds, same sila kuan idea na pwede man magamit. He also suggested that fingerprints can be used as means of identification. So, kung nawala ang isa ka person, missing siya, pwede magamit ang fingerprint para ma-identify. Itong laong ko, what if na-discuss siya, dili siya ma-identify or nasunog. Pwede magamit ang fingerprint para ma-identify. According to Thomas Taylor. Next, Henry D. Forrest. Sama ni siya. First official non-criminal fingerprint registration. So, first official of non-criminal registration. So, meaning, sama na. Gigamit ang fingerprint for civil identification, dili ra para sa criminals. Pag mulaong tag fingerprint, mulaong na nakakomit na ako, mo ko nag-commit og crime, no. Pwede siya non-criminal. So, meaning, pwede for civil identification. Kabantay mo nga, kanang mga illiterate, magamit na lang og thumb mark, ilang fingerprint na lang kuha. Dili man na sila criminal. So, for civil purpose. So, si Jatong nag-ingon na fingerprint pwede magamit or used for ordinary person. Pwede ra. Not only for criminals. Don't forget about him. Another, we have Captain James Park. So, he advocated the first state and penal use of fingerprint which was officially adopted in Sing Sing prison. Muna iyang na unsa pa na hatag when it comes to fingerprints. So he also introduced the unpopular American classification system. Sorry na So sa singsing tanan na sa prisuhan kuhaan ang lilag fingerprint. Kay di ba na-abolish man tong kang Bertillon. So mao na lang gina-adapt ang pagkuha nag fingerprint para ma-identify. Another, we have Major Robert McLaury. He was the warden of the Federal Penitentiary of Leavenworth. Kabisali ng mga kuan. So, first official national government used of fingerprints. Wow. This became the foundation of government. So, mao na ni nahitabo government fingerprint database. Ay nako. Mao na iyang nahatag. Mao na iyang warden siya, warden. Then Sergeant Kenneth Perrier. Siya ang first fingerprint instructor at St. Louis Police Department in Missouri. So meaning, iya gitudloan ang mga American police how to take fingerprints properly. Siya ang nagtudlo. Wow. Instructor siya. Instructor. Another, we have Mary Kay Holland. So, first fingerprint is instructress. Babae man siya sa instructress. Siya ang first woman to teach fingerprinting. Grabe. Another, we have Harry Meyers. So, Harry Meyers, first official foot and fingerprint system for infants. Sa mga bata. Unsa man, kaya nga naman, sa una manggod, ang purpose manggod niya sa una, dali lang gayud kay, di ba ang bata, magkapari-parihag mga wayong, di nimo dayon siya ma-recognize, kay bago pa, pila pa ka hours, ayan na. So, para ma-prevent nga magka-switch, magka-puli-puli, or magka-baylo-baylo ang bata, mao to gigamit niya. Official ang foot and the fingerprint. Mao to iyang para malikayan na sige ka baylo-baylo. So, pag anak, after pila ka minutes or pila ka hours, na siya, para, kung in case sa job or siguro ang ila sistema dito, paggawas sa hospital, i-double check kung same ba ang fingerprint nga pag anak mismo o ang pagpagawas na sa hospital, imo ng anak, syaro. May managkabaw kay mailhan ra sa PC, di ba? Okay. Juan Ivan Vucetic or Juan. Saman si Vucetic, siya na to ang nag-replace sa anthropometry. Diba, kang Bertillon man tong gamit sa una, nga sukdon. Then, na found out nga unreliable siya. So, pag abot na kay Vucetic, iya na gajud alisdan. So, mas gigamit niya initiated the fingerprinting of criminals. Kaysa sa anthropometry system iyang gamiton, ang mas gigamit niya is fingerprinting na. He also developed his own system of classification, which is widely accepted by the Spanish and speaking countries. So, kita kay lahi ang atong system nga gi-adapt. So, used in Rojas homicide case in 1892. So, he abolished the anthropometry system. Siya na dyan ang Nakagamit na siya, nigamit na niya ang kuan kaning sa Rojas homicide case. Sabay na ani. So mo ni. Sa Rojas homicide daw, 6-year-old Ponciano Rojas and his 4-year-old sister Teresa Rojas were found brutally murdered in their home in Argentina. So si Francisca Rojas, the children's mother had earlier rejected a man named Pedro Velasquez sexual advances. So kibali murag nay kuan, sila unta man nang uyab ingana or gusto lagi si kuan Francesca, wala niya gikuan si Pedro. Siya ganahi. So iya gikuan, gi-reject. Upon returning home daw, later that day, found him fleeing the home. So nakita ko no nga palakaw siya sa balay nila ni Francesca. So when she went inside, she found her 2 children dead. Patay na ang iyang duha ka anak, which is si Ponciano and Teresa Rojas. So police arrested Velasquez. Giaresto siya kay tungod sa nakita man siya nga palakaw siya sa balay. So possible suspect gayud siya largo. And utilize some painful interrogation techniques like torture. But he denied any involvement in the murder. Since Payne could not convince him to confess the law, since Payne could not convince him to confess, the law enforcers tried something else, something quite ghastly. So, siya man ang suspect. Mao ni. So Velasquez had heard Francisca Rojas' boyfriend. Iya niya gisugot si Velasquez kay si Francisca baya may uyab. Say he would never marry her while she still had those 2 brats. So sa laktod na istorya, the prints nga nakita compared found to be identical asa man kang Francesca. So, kay amo man lagi tong nabatian ni Velasquez about sa boyfriend. So, kadtong investigator Alvarez siya re-examined the crime scene and found a small brown mark on bedroom door, later found to be bloody fingerprint. He then removed the section of the door containing the fingerprint and took it back to the station. Here, he requested Francisca Rojas to be fingerprinted. So, pagkakuha na to, gi-compare katong nakita sa door, sa bedroom door nga kuan bloody fingerprint. Then na-found out dito nga ang fingerprint nga nakuha sa ang bloody fingerprint ug ang fingerprint ni Francisca is identical. So ni-confess ang mama nga siya ang nagpatay sa duha. O di ba? Tungod ra siguro possible aning iyang boyfriend kay para mapakaslan siya. Sana all. Next, Sir Edward Richard Henry. Oh my God. Named as the father of fingerprinting. Si Jamanggod ang nag-organize or nagkuha ng fingerprint system na gigamit na worldwide. Now, he developed his own system of classification while working in Scotland Yard. So, gitabangan siya sa duha ka Hindu police, si Khan Badahor Azizul Haki and Rai Hem Chandra Bose. Siya na mo nang gitawag siya nga father of fingerprinting. So, mo ni atong gigamit dire, gi-apply, which is gitawag nato na Henry Classification System. Kay siya man ang naghimo kung saan to pag-classify. So, darira. Sorry. Replace niya ang Bertillonid system, then kadtong anthropometry, then nagamit na siya og kadtong Henry classification system, which is gina-apply nato diri sa ato Philippines. May atong gisunod. Di ba? Ingana ba lamang ka? So mag-recap ta para na may makuan. Pag mulaong ta about kang Bertillon, sa siya body measurement. B body measurement. Vocetek ug si Henry ato fingerprints. Si Locard, forensic science. Katong every contact leaves a trace. Then si Herschel, katong palm prints. Kuha, I hope class makasabot mo class. Sorry gayud kung magkabulol-bulol ako. Bye and thank you.